Get ready to train brilliantly with your new Forerunner 265 running smartwatch. Let's get started using it so you can push your limits and get a more complete picture of your health. Hold the down button for quick access to the music player. The back button lets you return to the previous screen. In a timed activity, it also marks a lap. The Start-Stop button shows you your activity list and starts and stops your activities. When you're ready to start an activity, press the Start-Stop button to view your favorites. Out of the box, you'll see some of the most popular options, including run, track run, open water swim, and triathlon. You can customize your favorites on the watch or in the Garmin Connect app. Find your activity and press the Start-Stop button to select it. You'll see a daily workout suggestion for run and bike activities. For outdoor activities, wait until you have a GPS signal, then press the Start-Stop button to begin. For indoor activities, you won't need to wait for a GPS signal to begin. During an activity, you can press down to see more data fields such as lap information or the time of day. You can customize data screens, alerts, GPS settings, the touchscreen, and more with the activity menus. Press and hold the up button, and then touch the settings to access its menu. After completing your run and stopping the timer, you can resume, save, or select one of the other options. When you save the activity, you'll see summary information and stats about the activity and your performance. With the Forerunner 265 smartwatch, you have the perfect tool to help you crush your goals. For more information on using your smartwatch, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.